Hey guys, I have a really cute project today. I found this little side purse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our Etched Sunflower transfer and I'm going to ink on the front of it. But since it's just a little small side satchel, it's not going to fit the whole flower. So I'm just going to use that amazing flower head or flower petal. So the very first thing I want to do is I am using an extra piece of paper just to block off the ink because you guys know I get a little heavy-handed and I really don't want any of the stem to fit if I can't get those beautiful leaves as well. So again, we're just using the head of it. We are using all inks because I want to be able to wash this. So I will heat set it. But as far as the inks go, I am using bright white, bumblebee, papaya, and orange peel. And I'm not even sure that I come in with the white now that I'm thinking about it. I know that I got it out, but I definitely use papaya and orange peel. This is that papaya, and it's kind of darker in the middle. And then I was gonna put the orange peel around the outside of it, but I accidentally dipped it back in papaya. So what I do is I come back in with orange peel and I kind of lay that on top, and it actually ended up looking really cool. And then around the outsides, I just wanted to use a yellow, so I used bumblebee. So I hope you guys enjoy this project. Thanks so much for stopping by and enjoy.